Hey guys, good today I'm going to check out this glass chandelier that I received for viewing purposes. It's a really nice glass pendant chandelier that you can install it wherever you need in your kitchen, island, your dining room, however you want it. Okay, these are the instructions, and this is the proper glass fixture. Let me take it out of the box. Okay, it has a really nice design. We have in here the base. Okay. Ceiling base and the cable. Okay, it seems like a really simple installation, so let's go ahead and start installing it and let's see how it looks and how it works. Okay, come on. The installation, it's a breeze, as everything that you're gonna need to do it is inside the box, and the base fits standard US junction boxes without surprises or stress, making it a real hassle-free to do it. And each pendant is made from a thick, high-quality hand-blown glass with a subtle uneven texture that it scatters light beautifully, creating a warm and cozy atmosphere without feeling too fancy. You can use any E26 light bulbs, albeit LEDs, Edison or dimmables, whatever can fit your mood. If you want a cozy dinner glow, you can use a warm light bulb. If you need a bright light for cooking in your kitchen, you can go with a cool one. And as I've said, they are fully dimmable with a compatible dimmer switch, so that way the vibe can be set just up to your liking. And it will look great anywhere, over your kitchen island, your dining table, at the bedside, even in a bar or a hallway. I think that the glass and gold combination blends with any kind of style, even farmhouse, modern, or even boho decoration. Okay guys, and overall I think that it looks amazing. Wherever you want to install it, I think that it's going to do an amazing job. In this case, as you can see, I installed this warm white light bulb, but in your case you can install the one that you prefer. Some neutral white ones or just cold ones. I think that it's really nice, and overall I really like it and I will really recommend it. See you guys.